Under the Mistletoe. This cocktail sounds like it's named after some song from the 1950s that everyone is calling to be banned, because it has a creepy hidden secret meaning, along with other classical hits from the same singer such as "That Wasn't Me, It Was Just Something in My Pocket" and "I'm Mr. Snowjangle, the King of the Big Swing." Firstly, excuse any sirens you might hear in the background. Someone's Christmas party obviously went off with a bit of a bang, and a Royal Rumble is probably kicking off in a street nearby. The ingredient lineup: London dry gin, cranberry juice, soda water, simple syrup, an orange which we just need a slice from, a handful of cranberries, and a rosemary sprig for the garnish. And this cocktail traditionally uses a thyme sprig, so you could use that as well. But whatever you do, don't get any cretinous ideas and stupidly use mistletoe or holly or anything like that, because it's poisonous. Even though it seems ingredient heavy, this is a really easy highball style cocktail which you're going to assemble in the glass. I'm going to start off by adding an orange slice, which you're going to split into a half wheel, and we're going to add around 3 to 5 cranberries. We want to add to this half an ounce of 15 ml simple syrup, and give this a light muddle just to wake up that orange a bit. And we want to add some ice to our glass, and I'm going to annoy you all by doing this European style and adding them using a pair of tongs. Otherwise, this cocktail originates from the Big Bar in Chicago. Add to this 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of our London dry gin. Now the easy part. We're going to fill up 2/3 what's left in the glass with the cranberry juice. And we're going to top up the remaining third with some soda water. It's really simple and quick. And we want to give this a light stir. We want to garnish this with some cranberries and a rosemary sprig. And I think this looks really festive. The taste test. I actually like this drink. It reminds me a bit of a Tom Collins. I really like the piney hit the gin and the rosemary gives you. The cranberries give it a good freshness, which I really like. The simple syrup gives the right amount of sweetness without being overpowering. And the ingredient I was actually dreading to add was the orange slices. But you really get a nice citrus hint from them without the overpowering sweetness you sometimes get when you use orange juice. Another thing, this is super easy to make with minimal equipment, and it is relatively inexpensive to make as well, so you can bash these out by the dozen. So I'm going to give this a solid 8.4 out of 10.